Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python scripts and modules are essential components in Python programming, but they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. In this tutorial, we will explore the differences between Python scripts and modules, providing code examples to illustrate their usage. A Python script is a file containing a sequence of Python statements that can be executed. It typically represents a standalone program or a set of instructions that perform a specific task. Scripts often have a main execution flow and can be run from the command line or an integrated development environment, IDE. Let's create a simple Python script named myscript.py. In this example, the greet function is defined, and when the script is run, it prompts the user to enter their name and then calls the greet function to display a personalized greeting. To run the script, open a terminal and execute the following command. A Python module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. These modules can be reused in other programs by importing them. Modules help organize code, promote reusability and maintainability by encapsulating functionality into separate files. Now, let's create a module named mymodule.py. In this example, the mymodule module contains two functions for addition and subtraction. To use these functions in another script, we need to import the module. Let's create a script named useModule.py that uses the mymodule module. To run the script, execute the following command. In summary, Python scripts are standalone programs executed from the command line, while modules are reusable pieces of code imported into other programs. Scripts are usually used for executing a specific task, while modules provide a way to organize and share code across multiple scripts or projects. Understanding the distinction between scripts and modules is crucial for writing modular and maintainable Python code. ChatGPT.